Hello friend, this is your automatic cellophane machine. Now I will introduce this machine and tell you how to use this machine. First, you should open this panel. And then you should connect to your factory power. Here we have the L1, L2, L3 wire, the neutral wire, and you should also connect your ground wire here. And then you can see the electrical components here. This one is the relay. Now it's display the green lights. If it display the red light, it means that the wires you connect here is wrong, so you need to switch the place of these wires to make sure that this relay's light is green. And then you should open this one. You can see here is you should connect to your air source here. And we can check the details of this machine. This one is the control panel. This is the conveyor. Let's check the machine parts inside. And this is the membrane part. And you can see this is the control part of the machine. Here we also mark the labels on it to prevent heating. And when you install the film, you should install like this now. Put the film in this pedal, and then the direction will be like this. And then you can see this is the control panel of the whole machine. And then when you connect to your factory power and your air source, you can set the temperature you want here. Right now we set the 145 degrees Celsius. You should preset the temperature here. And here you should also set the temperature to make sure the temperature is arrived to what you set. Then you can use the whole machine to start the cellophane. And now you can see this one is the power switch. Now it's open it, and this is the indicate light, and this one is the emergency stop button to stop the whole machine. When the machine is going wrong, you can push this emergency stop button to stop the machine. And this is the trickle, the lower membrane, to lower the membrane here. And for this yellow button, for the dot cut film, it means that the film will cut from here. Okay, let's check the PLC panel. Here you can choose the language, English, Spanish, and Chinese. You can choose the language, and then you can touch here to enter the main page. And then this one is the action page. And then you can see different usage on this panel. You can see this one is the automatic switch. If you open this button, it means that the whole machine will keep working. And then this one is conveyor switch. Open the conveyor to let the box come into the machine. And then this one is the conveyor mode. It means that the box will continue go inside the machine. And then this is the subscene switch. It means that these parts will work. And then for the reset button, you should reset the machine. And then for this is the hose jaw cut membrane, and then the jog subscene to let you manually control the machine. Okay, you can check this one is the formulation. number is 1, and the efficiency now is 40 pieces per minute. It means that the packing speed is 40 pieces per minute, and then this is the count to calculate how many boxes you are packing. This is the clear 0. You can keep pressing it to let the number become 0. If you press one time, it will not clear because it is prevents from accidental touching. Okay, let's check the debug page here. What you need to adjust is the host packing speed here. Now it's 40, you can enter like 60 for example. But because now the box is empty, no product inside, we better test for 40 pieces per minute. And then for this substance length, you can calculate it. For this box, you can calculate is perimeter and then plus 10 to 15 centimeter. That is the substance length of the box. And for the debug page, the other parameter you don't need to change. And then you can see here is the double hot mode. You can also change it. Now is the spotting mode. Now we test it for the double hot mode. And then the other parameters from here, you don't need to adjust. And then for this parameter, you can enter inside it. Now this one is the parameter. You don't need to adjust here. And then this one is the formulation. You don't need to adjust here too. And then for this is the I/O monitor. You can check the machine's operation. It will turn to red light if the function is working. It will also have the alarm to show you where the machine is going wrong. Okay, the first step, you should push the reset button. Let the machine come to the reset. Okay, we can test the machine now. We open the automatic switch button to operate the machine. And then open the square speed here. Let the balls come inside to the machine. And you can see the beam. And then you can see this one is the finished product. For the alarm test, if the box is clamped to this place, these parts will come backside, like an engineer display. So the alarm will make some noise, and then you can see the PLC screen also will tell you where the machine is going wrong. So you should let these parts go back to the right place. Push the yes on the screen. And then you can reset the whole machine. And then for the second alarm, you see now the machine is going wrong. Our engineer will let these parts go back to the original place. And then push yes on the screen. Okay, if the box is clamped to like these parts now, here. Now you can see the box is completely clamped. You need to adjust. now you hear the alarm. That means that this part is going wrong. You need to adjust. Here you can see the alarm here. And then you need to adjust the part. Our engineer will show you how to adjust this part. Okay, now it's good. And then press yes on the screen. And then you can check this alarm on the screen. Now the machine is going wrong because of this part. Now it's loosened. And now this part is on the correct place. And then you can press yes on the screen.